What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video on this channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a move that people call the Neymar Roll. Okay, step one, what you want to do is roll the ball. Okay, that's step one. Roll the ball with your strong foot. Okay, step two, after you roll the ball, step over the ball. Okay, make sure you roll it enough to that you can step over the ball, but don't roll it too much because the chop is gonna, there's a chop you have to do that, you know, that Neymar does it. So once you roll it and you step over, you wanna chop the ball back like that. Okay, it's like tricking a defender. You're gonna roll the ball that way, making it look like you're gonna go that direction, but then you're gonna chop it and go back that direction. All right, let me show you guys all in one. Okay, you roll it, step over, and then chop it back that way. All right, let me do it fast though. That was too slow for you guys. All right, let me do it fast. Okay, all right, you're dribbling, you roll, step over, and then chop back. All right, now that's how you do the Neymar roll. If this helps you do that trick very well, you can even slow it down, you know, put in the slow speed and, you know, go step by step and see how I did it. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to this channel. I'll be having a whole lot of soccer videos more coming. As always, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.